Welcome to the Wisdom Path. If you are tired of setbacks, struggling with self-doubt, or feel like success is slipping through your fingers, this video is for you. Today, we will explore the invisible force that shapes both winners and losers. Confidence. You'll learn how confidence creates success, why losing streaks persist, and how to break free from them. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an athlete, or just someone looking for a fresh start, this lesson will empower you with real strategies to regain control over your journey. If you find this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom Path. Now, let's dive in. The confidence cycle. How winners keep winning. Imagine you're at the start of a long race. You take your first step and suddenly feel a strong wind at your back, pushing you forward. With each step, your pace quickens. You feel unstoppable. That's what a winning streak feels like. Momentum builds upon itself, success becomes easier, and opportunities come naturally. But now imagine the opposite. You trip on a rock, fall behind, and feel like you're running against the wind. The harder you push, the more resistance you face. That's a losing streak, where every setback seems to confirm that you're destined to fail. So what makes the difference between these two paths? Confidence. Confidence isn't just about believing in yourself. It's a force that shapes how others see you, how you approach challenges, and how opportunities find you. The winning mindset. Why success creates more success. Have you ever noticed how some companies, sports teams, or individuals seem to win year after year? It's not luck. It's because winning builds confidence, and confidence creates more winning. Take Apple, for example. When Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone in 2007, he wasn't just launching a product. He was building a culture of innovation and confidence. Customers trusted the brand. Investors lined up, and Apple kept growing. Every successful product fueled the next one. The same happens in sports. Think of Michael Jordan. His confidence didn't just come from talent, it came from practice, past wins, and the belief that even if he failed, he would learn and come back stronger. The 4 levels of confidence. Confidence works at 4 levels. Self-confidence. Believing you can achieve your goals. Trust in others. A strong team where people believe in each other. Confidence in the system. Having structure and consistency to support success. External confidence. Others, customers, investors, fans, trusting in you. When all 4 work together, confidence snowballs into success. Companies like Tesla, sports teams like the New England Patriots, and individuals like Elon Musk succeed because their confidence is contagious. Why losing streaks? Begin the trap of self-doubt. Now let's flip the script. Why do some businesses, teams, or people keep losing? It starts with doubt. One mistake turns into hesitation. One failure leads to fear. When people lose confidence, they stop taking risks and they play it safe. But playing it safe often means falling behind. Consider Nokia. Once the leader in mobile phones, they hesitated to embrace smartphones, fearing the risk of change. Meanwhile, Apple moved forward with confidence. The result? Apple became a giant while Nokia faded away. The doom loop. How losers stay stuck. Losing streaks don't just happen. They follow a pattern called the doom loop. Failure happens. A business loses money, an athlete loses a game, or you face rejection. Confidence drops. Instead of seeing failure as a learning opportunity, it becomes personal. Risk avoidance. Fear takes over, and people avoid bold decisions. Performance declines. Without confidence, energy fades, motivation drops, and mistakes increase. Reinforced failure. The cycle repeats, making the losing streak feel permanent. This happened to Blockbuster. They ignored Netflix, dismissed streaming as a fad, and kept renting DVDs while their competition evolved. Their lack of confidence and innovation sealed their fate. Breaking free: how to regain confidence after failure. Next, we explore how confidence fuels winning streaks and how losing streaks become a trap. But here's the good news: confidence can be rebuilt. No matter how many times you failed, you can turn things around. Think of confidence like a muscle. If you don't use it, it weakens. But if you start exercising it again, step by step, it grows stronger. Let's dive into the science of turning failure into success and the practical strategies to break out of a downward spiral. The turning point. When losers decide to win, every comeback story has a moment where someone says, "Enough is enough." A great example? Oprah Winfrey. Before becoming one of the most influential women in media, Oprah was fired from her first TV job. Her boss told her she wasn't fit for television. She could have given up. Instead, she used rejection as fuel to prove them wrong. That moment of decision is crucial. When you decide to stop accepting failure as your destiny, you shift your trajectory. Now, how can you trigger your own turning point? Step 1. Shift your identity. Stop calling yourself a loser. One of the biggest reasons people stay stuck in failure is because they identify as failures. Think about a student who fails a math test. If they say, "I'm bad at math," they create a belief that will control their future behavior. Instead of trying harder, they avoid math, reinforcing failure. But if they say, "I failed this test, but I can improve," they open the door to growth. Rewrite your story. Instead of saying, "I always fail," say, "I haven't succeeded yet." That one word, "yet," changes everything. Detachment from the past. Just because you lost before doesn't mean you're a loser. Every game, every project, every opportunity is a new start. Step 2. Small wins. The fastest way to rebuild confidence. When you're in a losing streak, don't try to win everything at once. Start small. Why? Because small wins rebuild trust in yourself. Example: if you've been procrastinating at work, don't try to finish everything in one day. Instead, set one simple goal, like answering 5 emails or finishing one task. Every small win triggers a confidence boost. It's like lighting a match in a dark room. Each small success makes the room brighter until you can see clearly again. The 1% rule. Instead of trying to change everything overnight, focus on getting 1% better every day. Over time, those tiny improvements add up to massive success. Step 3. Take action before you feel ready. A common mistake? People wait for confidence before taking action. But here's the truth. Confidence comes from action, not the other way around. Example: imagine you want to start a business but keep doubting yourself. You tell yourself, "I'll start when I feel ready." But readiness never comes because you're stuck in fear. The fix? Start anyway. Take action before you feel ready. Even if it's a tiny step, writing down a plan, making one phone call, or launching a small project, it will create momentum. Tony Robbins says, "The path to success is to take massive, determined action." The 5-second rule. If you feel hesitant, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take action immediately. This stops your brain from overthinking and forces you into motion. Step 4. Change your environment. Confidence is contagious. Have you ever noticed how successful people surround themselves with other winners? Your environment shapes your confidence. If you're surrounded by negative people who constantly complain, doubt, and focus on failure, it will drag you down. The fix? Find new influences. Follow motivational speakers like Joe Dispenza, Brian Tracy, or Denzel Washington. Read books about success and mindset. Spend time with people who push you to improve. Example: if you want to become healthier, spend time with people who exercise and eat well. their habits will rub off on you. Pro tip: if you can't find winners around you, create a virtual environment by watching inspiring content, listening to podcasts, and consuming success stories. Step 5. Stop seeking approval. Trust yourself. Many people stay stuck in failure because they wait for someone else to validate them. Reality check: you don't need anyone's permission to succeed. Example: J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers before someone gave her a chance. If she had waited for approval, she never would have succeeded. Exercise: ask yourself, what would I do if I didn't care what others thought? What risks would I take if I fully trusted myself? Then, go do it. Step 6. Keep moving. Even when it's hard, fact, you will fail again. That's life. But the key is not to lose twice in a row. Example: a boxer who gets knocked down can still win if they get back up. But if they stay on the ground, they've lost. Mantra: I might lose a round, but I will not lose the fight. Your new rule: never lose twice in a row. If you miss one day at the gym, don't miss 2. If you make a bad financial decision, make the next one smart. If you fail at something, try again immediately. The power of persistence. Denzel Washington said, "Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship." This means success isn't about things being easy. It's about pushing through, even when they are hard. The Confidence Blueprint: how to stay on a winning path for life. In the last part, we explored how confidence fuels success and how to break free from losing streaks. Now let's talk about something even more important: how to maintain confidence over the long term. Because here's the truth: winning once is not enough. You need to keep winning. The difference between those who succeed for a lifetime and those who fade away is how they maintain their confidence even when life gets tough. Let's dive into the strategies that will keep you on the path of success forever. The success trap: why winners? Start losing winning can be dangerous. Yes, you heard that right. Many people fail after success because they get comfortable. Example: a basketball team wins the championship. The next season, they train less, thinking they're invincible. But while they relax, their competitors train harder. Result: they lose. The lesson: never stop improving. Success should make you hungrier, not lazier. The fix: celebrate wins briefly, but don't stop growing. Always ask, what's my next level? Keep learning, training, and pushing forward. The confidence ritual: daily habits of winners. Confidence is built daily, not just when you need it. Example: think of confidence like a bank account. If you make small deposits every day, you'll have savings when you need them. But if you ignore it, you'll be broke when tough times come. So how do successful people keep their confidence strong? They use daily habits that reinforce it. Here are the 5 confidence rituals you should start today. 1. Morning power move. Start the day like a winner. The first 10 minutes of your day set the tone for everything. Winners don't wake up checking social media. They wake up setting intentions. Try this. Say, today I will win. Today I will take action. Stand tall, stretch, and move with energy. Do one small action that pushes you forward, even if it's just writing down your goals. 2. Daily wins list. Keep track of success. The brain remembers failures more than successes. You must train yourself to see wins. Every night, write down 3 small wins from the day. Example: I spoke up in a meeting. I exercised for 10 minutes. I made a smart decision. Why? Seeing progress keeps your confidence high. 3. The what-if trick kills self-doubt. Fast fear comes from imagining the worst. Flip the script. Instead of saying, what if I fail? Say, what if I succeed? Example: old thinking: what if I mess up this speech? New thinking: What if I give the best speech of my life? Fear and confidence come from the same place, imagination. Choose confidence. The 90-second rule. Control your mindset. Every time something negative happens, don't let it ruin your day. Instead, give yourself 90 seconds to feel the frustration, then let it go. Say, "This is just a moment. It doesn't define me." The 5-year test. Gain instant perspective. Will this problem matter in 5 years? If yes, work on it. If no, stop worrying about it. Most failures won't matter in the long run. Don't let small problems destroy your confidence. Confidence under pressure. Staying strong in tough moments. Even with all these habits, there will be times when life punches you in the face. What do you do when you feel like giving up? Think like a champion. Champions don't see failure as the end. They see it as a lesson. Michael Jordan said, "I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Use the "so what" mindset. If you fail, say, "So what? I'll try again." If someone doubts you, say, "So what? I believe in myself." Confidence is refusing to give up. Stay in motion. If you fall, get up immediately. Keep working, learning, and taking action. Confidence grows with movement. The Confidence Network. Surround yourself with winners. Who you spend time with determines your confidence. If you're around negative people, your confidence will shrink. If you're around driven, positive people, your confidence will grow. The rule of 5. Make sure at least 5 people in your life inspire you. If not, find new influences. Read, listen to podcasts, and connect with winners. Example: bad influence, a friend who complains about everything. Good influence, a mentor who pushes you to grow. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Final message: confidence is a choice. Here's the ultimate truth. Confidence isn't given. It's created. It's not about being fearless. It's about acting despite fear. It's not about never failing. It's about never quitting. It's not about luck. It's about persistence. The people who win in life are not the ones who never fall. They're the ones who get back up every single time. And now, so will you. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs confidence. Subscribe to the Wisdom Path for more powerful lessons. Like this video if you found value in it. Comment below. What's one thing you'll do today to build your confidence? You have everything it takes to succeed. Now go take action. See you in the next video.